So, good morning viewers. Today we're at Windsor again and we're doing some walking today. So today I'm going to be walking the Three Castles path between Windsor and just slightly beyond Ascot. So let's see how that goes. Oh, hello. I do believe that's the Queen, Her Majesty, coming.
What? They're not meant to do that. Wait. Wait. What was the
Okay, so behind me is a statue to King George V, which is on top of Snow Hill. Lovely place to stop for lunch. Unfortunately, very crowded with tourists, so it's time to move on. Don't seem to understand social distancing. Anyway, off we go. You're very curious, aren't you? So those are Three Castles markers. So you can scan that QR code and it gives you information about the route. So down here, this was the old mile course, the old Royal Mile. So it was a mile from the Golden Gates down there. Down to the racecourse finish line, I suppose, for want of a better word. But alongside the path here are these things which are relics of World War II. And the idea of these was that they were made for during World War II, and there's a corresponding one on the other side of the racecourse, and what they used to do was stretch cables across the race course, and it was to stop German planes from using the race course as a runway. So we come to Ascot Racecourse, and looking down there, underneath that bridge is where the path would normally go, and then you'd go out onto Ascot Racecourse. But unfortunately, we've come on the same day that is Royal Ascot, so the path that goes across the racecourse is closed. So we have to go up there.